All right, guys, so I'm down here at Kenosha today at the Carb lab. Check it out, guys. You know I've been dealing with this carburetor issue. So hopefully I found somebody. He said he's been doing this how many years?
32.
32. And what's your name, sir?
Michael.
Michael at the Carb lab.
Or Miguel if you are south of the border.
Michael in Wisconsin and Miguel in Illinois, huh? Or is that? Oh no, fire! You talking about fire? Oh, fire! South of the border. Okay, I got
Gotta
you.
get you the right gasket.
All right. So you been when you say they
Yeah, let me
you say when they test it, how did that work?
That is the dynamometer. Take all the pictures you want.
How did this work? You don't mind me asking?
I conceived it. I designed it.
You what?
Prepared it, and I built it.
Really?
Yeah.
So you put them on here?
Absolutely. It's a live engine.
Really?
Yeah.
So you start this up.
And test all of the circuits.
Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's got a radiator and everything on it here.
You gotta maintain the temperature.
Look at that. So all of this up here, all of this, these gauges and stuff up here, that's all for what, different carbs?
Well, just for testing what's on there.
Oh, okay.
A little gas analyzer on there, and
Wow, this is
pressure regulator, and I test them at a higher pressure than would normally be used on the vehicle, but not just slightly over.
okay. All right.
And with a bunch of adapter plates for 1 barrels, 2 barrels, 3 barrels, 4 barrels.
No, you do it all then, huh?
Yeah, I try.
Wow. 30 years. Man, I never heard of you.
I'll be darned.
So you got a number?
What do you mean a number?
If people look at the video, they want to contact you in this area.
Oh, sure. 262
262
694
694
4710.
4710, guys. All right. Man, I'm hoping he solved my carburetor problems because I done had one rebuilt and the guy, I don't think it's right. It's still on the carb, but I'm going to get this in. And when I put this one in today, it should be fire up and at least...
It should be plug and play, but you're still going to have to make the basic
adjustments on it.
Because I have no idea of if you have any vacuum leaks or whether the vacuum hoses are on right or what your compression ratio is. There's a lot of variables.
Right,
but
right.
It is set to run because it has been run on the dynamometer.
On the dynamometer. Look at that. I tell you, that's all right. All right, Mike. Well, I appreciate you taking out the time, and I'm glad Chris told me about you up there in Sturtevant. All right. I see you got all the books. So you redo like 2-barrel and small engine, or just what?
Auto, truck, marine, commercial, industrial, and aviation.
Oh, whoa! Hold on now. For planes?
Yeah.
Oh man, they gotta really trust you to say I'm putting that carb on going up in the air.
Yeah, I spend a lot of extra time on aircraft stuff because it's just.
Yeah, really.
Well, hey, you don't. Yeah, hey, if your car dies in the road, that's one thing.
Exactly.
If your plane dies in the middle of the air, that's another.
That's another. Oh, well, I think I might have found the right guy here. So, you're gonna be my new best friend.
All right, give me a last name.
Barkley, Barkley.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't want to go with Edelbrock or nothing like that. Rochester.
For my car, I would not do that.
And Rochester, good engine, ain't it? I mean, good carburetor.
As long as it is matched up properly
Exactly. You can't put one off of a Pontiac onto a Buick and stuff. Is that how that works or what?
Nah, it's not quite that easy.
Well, what do it consist of?
I like to go original equipment. That is, not that I won't. I mean, I've got aftermarket carbs up there, but I just, because some people, once they change the intake manifold, you're stuck with an aftermarket carb.
Right. Well, no, I got original on mine, so, right. But it's not really good to run. They do got some carburetors because I was looking at the carb numbers.
If you put an aftermarket carb on, you're going to spend a lot of time trying to make it compatible with your car.
Right. But what I'm saying
it can't be done. It's just that you can't just bolt it on.
Right. But what I'm saying about the Rochester themselves, like, ain't
you're-
the 350, putting the
with your-
350, I noticed some of the part numbers fit for the 455, like when I looked up the 70s, some of them had the same part number for the 350 and the 455.
Correct.
But when you get to going with different years, it makes a difference on the way that car is going to run, on that carb is going to run on that. How did that work?
Because they were built with one carb, and then 40 years later, you're using something that is really, really close, and it's the best I can explain it.
Okay. No, I just know everybody hate Rochester. They like,
No.
they're like, I never had luck with them and this and that.
No. If I'm looking, you want to race, that's one thing. You want to go get groceries, that's another thing.
No, so
take
just
the
keeping
Rochester
it
every day.
Every day for original equipment.
Yep. Good drivability, decent gas economy. Give me the Rochester.
Okay. All right, my man.